Welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. Make money online. In this video, friends, I will talk about camelbtc, how to use camelbtc website and play the game and make money online. So we have three different questions. Let's start with the starting procedure. When you visit the URL from my website link, YouTube link description, you will get the joining link camelbtc. After that, you will have to register your account with your email, just like this. You will see the screen like this. If you visit my URL, you have to just paste your URL just like this and enter and earn crypto. So you have to enter and earn crypto. In order to get paid, you have to play this game. Very simple. Just you need to collect these golds available. When you get 665 or any one you can get, just collect them. After that, you will see top of the bar, this one, you will see log, rock, gold, steel, gems, money and workers, which is I am having 1 by 2. So when you get level up, you will see workers increasing just like this. Once you have enough gold in your pocket, you have to just go to click on the market button, and you will see the message like or screen like this. As you can see, request 110 goals, you will get 50 rewards and 3 times minutes. Within 3 minutes, then you will be able to get 50 coins. So I am not going to do this for now, and let me show you another question: how to withdraw and how to get paid from camelbtc. Very simple and easy question and answer. You have to just scroll down and click on the withdraw button. After that, you will be able to see a screen like this where you can see your BTC wallet address you have to create. If you don't have, you can create, and if you have, just copy paste and save there. And you can also earn chain info, another cryptocurrency. I have just withdrawn my cryptocurrency zero chain with the wallet account. You can also create your zero wallet like this screen and save your wallet address and get paid. Let me show you the pay. Is the camelbtc legit or scam? So yes, it is legit and it is paying. Let me show you the payment proof. But let's first collect these gold available. After that, when I click on the collect gold, let me show you searching for the material. It says, and sorry, I think there is some link. Just wait, skip this step. Sorry about the noise from my background, friends. Actually there is construction ongoing, so I can't do anything about that. Just apologize for that noisy background noise. So just skip the ad like this. Then just collect the 680 gold. Once you click on the collect 680 gold, just like this, yes, collect it. Just click on back and you will be redirected to the main page like this, and you will see I am now having 1040 gold. Now in this scenario, I am going to log construction. So the price for chasing the log construction is 1000 gold, as I am already having 1040 gold. So let's purchase this. After that, yeah, construction purchase tick. So just go back and you will see another process started there, and we can also speed up this procedure if we want to. Let's click plus. Yeah, work started. So just like this, you will see a funny guy just like dancing or doing something. Just click go back, and yeah, log available. So far I am having 100. So yeah, it is just started, and these logs can be collected from this platform. So similarly, you can also purchase rock construction and steel to get these rock and steel as well, and you can also get money by selling your gold in the market. And the procedure is very simple. And friends, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is my YouTube channel, Make Money Online, friends. and I am just having flu, so sorry about my voice is not so fine, so need your prayers. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, stay blessed. And yeah, one more things to share with you guys. This is my wallet address in the zero chain. As you can see, these payment I just received today. You can see the date, Sunday, September 18 2022, with the time as well. So I just received these two payment instantly. So zero camel btc is legit and it is paying instantly. I got paid using camel btc. So hope you like the video, friends. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.